Hello everyone, I am Shivam Kaur pursuing BTech CSE Lovely Professional University, and today in this video I am going to explain how we can reverse first k element of Q. Like we have Q and we have the elements like 1, comma 2, comma 3, 4, 5, and we have specified k as k equals 3. We need to reverse the first three elements of the Q like 1, 2 and this 3. We need to reverse these three elements. After reversing, the output of the cube will become 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. We will only reverse the first three elements, keeping the other two elements as it is. So we have got the output 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. We have reversed the first three elements of the cube. This thing we need to implement in our code. So let's first explain how we can do this. So for the basic concept to how we can reverse the q element, so first we will take q element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose we have taken k value 3. So first we will pop the elements of the queue till the first three element. After popping, we will keep that element in a temporary stack. Like we have taken stack in which we have popped the element one by one. In a stack, it is stored in the reverse order, the 3, 2, and 1. So after popping or after dequeuing the queue, we have the queue having the element 4 and 5. And we have the stack in which we have the element 3, 2 and 1. So after that, this is the queue we have and this is the stack. So we will enqueue or means add this element of the stack to the element of the queue. Now the after adding or after enqueuing, the element will become 4, 5, 3, 2, comma 1. So now we have the reversed, but the order of the last two element is not in the correct form as the previous one. Like if they are in the last, second last and the last element. So for this, we will again dequeue the element of the first two element of the queue and keep it in a temporary list. Like we have removed 4, 5 here and the queue is here. Q is here 3, 2 and 1. Now we'll add or enqueue this list of the element of the list back to the queue. Now queue will become as addition of the queue is in the last. So 3, 2, 1. After adding this here 4, 5. So we have got the result 3, 2, 1, 4, 5 for the queue. We have the reversed first three element of the queue, keeping the order of the last two element as it is. So we know the concept now, so let's implement the same concept in our code, in which we will take first define the function, define our reverse first k, in which we will take the input q and k, then we will take an empty stack, then we will dequeue or we will pop the element of till k of the queue, and then after popping or dequeuing we will store that in a stack. For slash in range till k, element equals q dot pop 0. Then we will store that in a stack, append element. Then we will add this appended stack back to the queue, of the original queue. Element stack dot pop dot append element. Now we have got the elements were reversed, but as said earlier, the first two elements were not in the same order. We have to maintain the order. For maintaining the order, we will again dequeue the first two elements and store in a list. Length of q minus k element equals q dot pop 0. Then we will dequeue or add, no, in queue, adding the same element which we have removed back to the queue. Q dot append the element. Then we will return the queue. So let's take now some input. My q equals 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. K equals to 3. Now the reversed q. Q equals reverse first k in which input my q dot copy comma till k. Now print the output, print reversed q. Now let's run the code. So as you can see, we have reversed the first three element. We have taken the input 1, 2, 3, k value 3. So we have reversed it till three element 3, 2, 1, keeping the last two element as it is 4, 5. So the output 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. So basically this is the code for reversing the first k elements of q. So hope you have understood my video. So thank you guys.